Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell your Muskempire token using your Bybit. So click over to this asset. Click over to the assets. Click on the unified trading. Click on the unified trading. As you can see, the Muskempire is already here. Empire is already here. If yours is not here, click on this search box and type S. Once you type S, you will see it. So now click on this Muskempire. Now, over here you can see trade. Over here you can see trade. The price is at 0.000072. What a dust. So with this little 18,000 that I have, I'm not getting anything. Wow. Now click on the trade. Click on this trade. Click on this trade. Okay, then you click on sell. We are not buying, we are selling. Click on sell. Click on sell. You slide. Once you slide it, then you click on sell S. Click on sell S again. Order submitted successfully. All orders submitted successfully. Then let's go back to assets. Click on it again. Click on the funding. Okay, see the USDT here. See the USDT. Click on it. It's still in the unified trading. Can you see it? You can now transfer it from this unified trading to your funding. Click on transfer. Now for unified trading to funding, can you see? It's from unified trading to funding. Then USDT. Click on mass. Click on this mass. Click on this mass. Now click on confirm. Now transfer successful. Now let's go back. Now click on your funding. Click on the funding. The USDT is here. Can you see it here? Can you see the USDT? See it there? So if you want to set to your local currency, all you have to do is to go back. Go to home. Now you can see P2P over here. P2P trading over there. If yours is not showing, you have to search for P2P here. You have to search it there. Type P2P trading and it will pop up. Then click on it. Got it. Once you click on it, acknowledged. Once you click on it, you are not buying, you are selling. Your local currency must be here. Make sure that your local currency is here. Then you click on sell. You are not buying, we are selling. Put in the amount of USDT you want to sell. Click on amount. Put the amount. Put the amount. Let's assume I want to sell 5 USDT. Then click on confirm. Now, because it's very low, there's no person selling within my range. So this is how to do it. When you put the amount of USDT you want to sell, you see a buyer. Then had it been that this is up to the amount of USDT, this person is buying for 50,000 USDT. So mine is small. Then make sure you have put your payment method. Then that's all. You click on sell and you will receive your money. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and also join my WhatsApp group where I share daily combos. Thank you. See you in my next video.